Hello, guys.
Ay, coach!
Oh, whatever day it is, hello now. Everything good? Okay, so nakapag-dance sport na kayo with a different partner.
Salsa.
Pero nag-partner na kayo, hindi nga lang dance sport. So this time, we are up with something slow, pero kasi love dance tayo. We're gonna have Rumba. Okay?
Rumba.
Yes. So Rumba is going to be the love dance, kaya lang meron tayong challenge, guys.
Ano yun, coach?
We're gonna use this in the whole of the dance.
Papaluin ko siya. Sasakalin.
Hindi, ilalaro
Sasakalin niya
natin
ako.
to para magkakaroon tayo ng pasahan. Tapos at the whole of the dance, hindi dapat siya nabibitawan. Yes. So yun ang greatest challenge natin, okay? So, i-rehearse muna natin ito ng wala.
Okay.
And then saka natin sundan pagkatapos para paano natin ilaruin. Okay? Okay. So, in your Rumba, we have to start off with a connection. Yung connection natin na ganito, since nakapagsalsa ka na, this is the slow version. Slow version in a sense na yung sa salsa natin, you counted 1. Dito tayo, yung 1 natin is your preparatory step. Okay? So, pag 1 mo dito, side mo, tas magtutu ka. So, instead natin gagawin yan, pa-back ngayon ng sayo. From your 1, para maka-downbeat tayo ng 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, wala tayong dance sa 1. 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So, but then, we need connection yung tension natin yun. So, yung leaning mo forward, kailangan visible siya in a sense na para tayong, yan, laging magkaganito. Para pag 2, 3, 4, yes. Kahit forward ka, tumutulak ka. Kahit umaatras ka, tumutulak ka. Para yung connection ninyo as partner magiging stronger. Okay, try natin. Yan lang. And 5. We go for 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 natin. Okay, 1 mo is your right, left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Don't dance on 1. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. So, kaya naiiwan ngayon yung ball of the foot sa floor. Toes, yes. Gapang lang. You have to caress the floor the whole time. Boom, boom, caress the floor. Up. Yes, so caress the floor. And 2, 3, caress the floor. And 2, 3, 4. Yes? Okay?
Yes.
Oo, yes na lang, no? Kasi kailangan natin magagawa in a few days' time.
Yes.
So, which is going to be a challenge. And then, apart from that, pag nagawa na natin yung routine, then incorporate natin ito. This is one of the greatest challenges na hindi nagpatulog sa akin, actually. Totoo. Kasi hindi ko alam paano ko siya ilalagay, paano incorporate. But then, yung puyat ko na yun, nagbunga naman ng magandang output kasi magagamit talaga natin siya. Okay? And then, we will also have a challenge na kailangan siya naka-wrap kasi sa umpisa, wrapped around siya and then meron tayong point na i-roll off siya para makuha niya to. Okay?
Okay.
So,
parang complicated yan,
yes,
coach.
complicated in a way. But then, since it's a love dance, so marami tayong mga moves na sensual. So, sana hindi na kayo naiilang sa mga hawak-hawak, which is going to be part of it. Kasi ang Rumba is all about, para siyang, tapos na kayo sa courtship eh. Pag nagtsatsa kasi courtship yon. Dito sa Rumba, love na, nagkaigihan na. So, it's a pretend of all of your proposal will be accepted, but then on second thought. So, kaya laging may mga boom, tapos biglang pigil, okay. Payag ako, and then again, isipin ko muna.
So, ako yung naghahabol, coach.
Yes.
So,
Lagi kang yun on the proposal side. Siya yung nandun sa side na, I'll accept, pero, teka lang. Isipin ko muna. Are you the right person for me? Parang ganun lagi yung kwento niya.
yung haba ng buhok mo.
Oh,
Mahirap isama yung scarf.
Yeah.
Kasi may nalalaglag ganun or baka hindi makuha.
So, kailangan ng plan B kung sakaling malaglag, saan namin ibabalik ulit sa kasama namin. And yung moves itself, mahirap. Kasi mukha silang in sync, pero kailangan pa matigas to.
Yes,
Para
tension.
nagka-guidean kami dalawa.
Tension.
Pero during the dance, syempre makakalimutan mo, eventually parang ang hirap i-maintain. Pero fun siya.
Yes.
Kasi very challenging. Eh, ito, humahataw to eh.
Kaya challenge ulit for me
Oo.
and Kuya Rocco.
Tsaka sana yung mga last few, parang naglalambot na. May galaw. Dito talaga matikas. So, complete opposite naman.
Pag ganyan ka dapat.
Oo nga eh. Oo.
At napakabagal niyan, the difficulty of it kasi mabagal siya.
Yes.
So kailangan presence of mind kasi connection din. Kaya yun. So doon kami nagkakaroon ng pinaka-greatest challenge namin to connect and to make it possible na mapalalaro namin yung prompt the whole time.
Yes.
Mabagal yung song, pero ang bilis ng mga galaw.
Yes.
So, dapat on point.
Okay?
Pero kaya.
Kaya yan. Kaya yan.
On the floor.